What's good, fam? The Galaxy Z Flip 7 just dropped. And trust me, this is the biggest glow up the Flip has ever gotten. So, buckle up, cause I'm about to spill the tea on every juicy leak and rumor. Design, display, cameras, features, performance. And all that jazz. First off, design vibes. Samsung's playing it smooth, no wild chassis changes, just polishing and making this baby tougher and sleeker. It's getting thinner, like 6.5 millimeters unfolded thinner, but oddly enough, still weighs the same. Slim but steady, you know? Color squad? We got blue shadow, jet black, coral red, maybe a fresh silver shadow, and a possible exclusive green mint 4. The online crew. The hinge is rumored to be beefed up for less crease drama and slimmer bezels. Finally, right? Now, the showstopper. The cover screen. This thing's about to blow up from 3.4 inches to a massive 4 to 4.1 inches, stretching across almost a whole outer shell, channeling Motorola Razr 2025 vibes. Inner display is getting bigger too, up to nearly 6.9 inches, all silky. Smooth 120Hz old goodness, with the cover screen matching that refresh rate flex dot camera? Nah, not much upgrade. Same 50MP main, 12MP ultrawide, and a 10MP selfie cam. But honestly, who cares? Flip's got that trick where you use the back cams for selfies via the cover screen Smart Flex. Pics are solid, not flagship level fireworks, but good enough for your gram. Features? Pocketable AF Ultra Compact. Feels like nothing in your pocket, but delivers a screen real estate rivaling the Galaxy S25 Plus. Software could debut, One UI 8 and maybe even full DeX support. If you're out here using DeX, hit me up. I wanna. No dot performance is a little messy. Rumors say 2 chip flavors, Exynos Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Elite, depending on where you live. Both big jumps from before, and should run cooler and last longer on battery, which is a slight upgrade, but nothing wild. Speaking of juice, the battery's about the same, around 4,300 mAh typical, and charging stays the same old 25 West wire and 15W wireless. No silicon carbon hype this year. Samsung, get with the program. Oh, and keep an eye out for a cheaper Flip F version. Kind of like a fan edition with fewer specs, but similar looks. Coming later, maybe. Price. $10.99 base, same as last year, cause foldables don't need to break the bank. Yet. Unpacked event. Drops July 9th in Brooklyn. I'll be there, so come say what's up. Alright, that's the scoop on the Flip 7. Biggest upgrade since the OG. Flip dropped in 2020. Hit subscribe for more.